मुख्य सचिवान स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाचो नियाळ घेवपाक सचिवालयात बसका आपयल्ली। आमदारा सयत पणजे महानगरपालिका सल्लागार येरादारी पुलीस आणि कंत्राटदार हाजीर आशिल्ले। स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामा वेळार येरादारी सुटसुटीत करपाचेरूय चर्चा जाली। 31 मे मेरेन स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां पुराय जातली अशी हमी परत एक फावट बाबुशान दिली।
Dates and time has been set for completion of each work.
New date and time, as you say?
No. Now each contractor basically was called, and each contractor has got a different basically jobs of theirs to be done. So basically we try to have a date or deadline for each contractor when their job will be completed. Because what happens now, all the sewage lines and all those things should be laid down. It is only after that then the roads will be done. So until unless you have a deadline for the sewage, for the completion of the sewage, then only the road thing can be taken up.
So one-to-one
meeting was with contractors.
Separate contractors. There was a meeting. Chief Secretary basically was there. He has taken the meeting.
Sir, what is their response? Because you had given them a deadline. So what is their response?
No, deadline. That's what I'm saying. 31st January. So we are working on that same deadline. 31st May. We are working on the same deadline. So on that, for that deadline to complete on that deadline, a different basically setup was done. We had different contractors is concerned. With different contractors doing different types of jobs. So once that jobs are complete, then only the road work will be taken. No, SP traffic basically was closed because as and when we need to block the roads and basically a different way should be for traffic, for flow of traffic is concerned. There is a reason SP traffic. So everyone, we have taken basically everyone on board. So tomorrow it should not be that this contractor is that now as far as the deadline is concerned. So no contractor basically should miss the deadline, because if you miss this deadline, then that deadline gets extended. CCB was there, PDA was there, PWD was there, and sewerage department.
So last time कोण अशें तांकां deadline दिल्ले पण work cannot be completed. So
आता last कितें केलें तें आतां विसरूया. आतां फुडें कितें करपाचें? We are looking forward. We are not going. Let us not go behind. So now we will look forward at least as today. After this meeting, at least I am satisfied that at least work basically will be as per the schedule.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकर।